Ye nyina nim say last year the Attorney General ene Yoko a press conference and the Tuja say the former Director General of the National Signal Bureau Abayin Acheno edina kwa akose Yoko no masem nyina ne say abayin sika bi efa ne nsase 49 million Ghana cedis na report wa Remoacha Yoko Executive Secretary Edima Attorney General managing so Edi press conference and say ono Remoacha na yehwehwemu anhwehwemu ni nyina kire so o identify 22 houses eno omunhwehwemu kire se 49 million no na brantie no efa no de to toss our properties no. In fact a bro year press conference no I must say all MPP platforms 99.9% omunya Kwabena Dubuahia womba winenam sa so no man Ghana nyina everywhere all the platform Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok babia no and that Attorney General ASR press conference and say we identify 22 properties no eye abrantie Kwabena Dubuahia sa week no ono na na trendy ewo Twitter ono na trendy ewo Instagram ono na trendy wo Facebook ne WhatsApp platforms nyina because of a trouble kwa Remoacha pesodi no the certify na appointing authorities no se be ya ombe hu se oye adwuma adia ba ko a matena ha kan sisu no say ebesi nei the prosecution the Attorney General is almost done nanso sa 22 houses na woman let's say you know me reporto edi amagana for say Attorney General entimi enka ho asem e court wo sa 22 houses no mo let's say abrantie no de oman sika ene toto sa japade no say be ya obey unpopular say be ya MPP be ya unpopular no bia hu say MPP nya party papa no ene Attorney General case no ya ba wiye 22 houses no wo muntimi nka ho asem ba kokora MPM se sia mena mo kase Attorney General case no 22 houses no enka case no ho o ma bandan sa claim na woman de ba to abontin say wafa o man ni sika editain ni yire man nam so ma oba no nya miscarriage no na Ghana for so Kwabena Dubuahia 1 month Ghana for so MPP amanyokuo mu 1 month say ye ya akromfo no enei ni eda ho ne say ye kama president of the land is what to say enka Attorney General case ho e wo court ye ka ye mfansie na matrasi na nwumrei ne Ghana web a report wo na me de bremo na no me kan wo fie ha se ye bedi asem ni bewie no se atentere ni ye adwuma de a na abanwe ebedi Kwabena Dubuahia ka ye bedi asem ni bewie no na abanwe ebedi Kwabena Dubuahia ka because there's no law wo kroma say ebra no odi ni post wa na obi di ni post wa ni business ya na oye ansa na okom no onkogu no emra bia nkyere sa etu omu ya ntwehwemu no hu nse sa da no omu ko hu ye no sa nya da na Kwabena Dubuahia to na mom Kwabena Dubuahia na nkasa eye into rare estate business oye into fertilizer manufacturing Ghana ha the second company a produce fertilizer ne duduo mu na ebiko Africos ebi kwa Burkina Faso eye Kwabena Dubois dia enso ye charge no womu di trose MPP fo ye ya akromfo ene o ma abandan sa case ni nyina adan na o mo lesi ye 22 properties ni nyina no wo ma abandan omun kan ho asem biem because omun wura mu no omun hun se sa ne rare estate adan a ositon ne company siton no eno na remo acha kotwa ho pictures eno odin be ma attorney general so investigate obira mu na mu a constitution under article 88 no say mu na mu be initiate before we be initiate criminal proceedings bia no wa investigate ahun say matter no strong ni nyina bia ankoso ena omode beto abonten deliberate attempt to make the new patriotic party unpopular in the eyes of the Ghanaian people. Na mom ye koya nim no na sa propaganda na omode beto udwa no nyina no wash it away sane denti aban na ono no pese ko ogu MPP anim ase no enne ye frɛ bibi back to sender. Asana komo so ama ye bisa Ghana fo dodo na ebisa se eyeda mo ye press conference say obi afọ man ni sika e de ato 22 proper na mo court mo amfa sa ansem na ko ene remata mpese obeti sa question we ene me madam fo attorney general empese obeti sa question we ba ye bekoso abisa da bia abisa remata say Enyama na olesi ye a omo de ye press conference no adenti na enka wo mu evidence ho wo court omo mpese o mbeti sa asem no omo mpese obi abeboso ba ye beboso ne ya mamansa hun say that press conference omo ye 2025 na unam kroma na MPP nya akono no ye be mamamfo ahun say na ye ntro yede atuma wie ene social media yenya de tum wie a yegu anim ase wie ya wie ne ye pese ye achieve no ye achieve ya kan wie ba ye bekoso abisa ne enti amom pese mo be ka sa asem ni biem ne enti amom pese ebe ye part of mo evidence ye bekoso de aba adimati ye bekoso de hama no adimati. And nay, way I may back in can making free the Ghana web. I publish it. And to me the credit and everything. Ebama Ghana web through them. And I can proceedings, you know. A year this week, yeah, through Ghana web. And I can court proceedings, you know. Until fire sources near BBR every Ghana web. Na said ye mekan wo ha na no say adubu anyi case ni say atentene ebe ye adwuma said the article 19 of the 1992 constitution can fair trial se fair trial be ye adwuma na say accused person bia no ye afford no all the necessary avenue na say year obenya dia defending ho na yenkonko ye kataso miamia so say ye kata bibi so ye bibia de favor government no na ne constitution na aka se fair trial ye adwuma case ni beba wiye no na government of Ghana e de adubu ahenka eno a me kan ye no ye da sore ye na Ghana web publishing proceedings bi etimi fa firi ho enye ohia TV ne produce any proceedings bia na mom ye pick it from Ghana web website Ghana web for eho ene ye fa free ye na omo na e kire say eye adubu ahin otie atifia sema enura ya eye 17th March 2026 adubu ahin pre-finance national security operations prosecution witness ye catch a prosecution witness here eye attorney general na ono bo adubu ahekwa adu no na dance ni ono ne ye kind of prosecution witness enti attorney general no enipa odi adanse de aboa aban ma ne case na ye de no okotena adaka mu no o se eduru ba bia national security hia sika adubu ahiane ye twena bo so no eduru ba bia national security hia sika adubu ahitimi kono ne company account mu otimi kwa ono an account mu ekope sika bre national security because sika normally no sika no free finance ministry ana BOG ebetima dire na bia national security hia money for urgent operations ya na ebedire a adubu ahitimi pre finance ekope sika efiri ni nyuma a oye ne fertilizer company ne real estate company no de abeboa national security operations no kopem se aban de beba ebi wo ha aban atua ebi wo ha aban tua na we na aban adansi difo aye prosecution witness a ono na se oboa ma aban kwadu a ode bo adubu ahina agina na o ma hu so mo ka nokra na o mo nka nokre enipa na betena adaka mu no o se nokra me se mo sei mintimi nitro na mom nokra bi ewom no meka ni adubu ahia ye bia na ye nokra bia no meda no nyina di eno na order na di sei abundance difo no da na di sei a Ghana web dia ba betudwa adubu ahe pre finance national security operations na questions ya ye toto na no wa adakam a Ghana web a publish ye na me de betudwa na obi atie bi na mahu ekwana ye faso ditro egu opposition party so edinya animonyam edinya goodwill no wia wakwa kwatena so ya wie bibibia asi yentie kwase no eye aban adansi dini no ye freno Edif Ruby Opokuya Aduamwa onu na ejina mu oye head of finance National Signal Bureau na onu na aban afa ne se omedi adansi emfa mom na omasem ne nyede na kwase ya yebisa ne question number 1. In the proceedings of 10th December 2025, you indicated that due to late budgetary releases, your office sometimes does not have the requisite fund for its operations. Or say, yes, my lord. Question number 2. You acknowledge that some national security operations are time sensitive or driving. Aduamwa or say yes, my lord. Question number 3. There have been occasions where staff embark on operational activity even before the funds for the assignment are released. Answer: yes, my lord. Question: in such instances, the funds for those operations are pre-financed until the budgetary releases are received. I say, yes, my lord. Question: madam, there have been instances where you have had to look for funds to finance national security operations. I say, yes, my lord. Madam, when operations are pre-funded, you always refund the money to the source. Answer: yes, my lord. Question: madam, indeed, Kwabena Adubuahin has had to pre-finance some operations during his tenure. Answer: yes, my lord. Question: madam, you remember that Kwabena Adubuahin expressed concern about whether he will be able to fully recover the fundings intervention provided to the office. I can't remember, my lord. Question. But you agree that you have not fully refunded all pre-finance amount towards national security operations to whoever gave you the monies? Answer. Not that I know of, my lord. The judge intervened. Why don't you answer counsel questions? Your answer doesn't make sense. Question. Based on your own lack of knowledge relating to pre-financing national security, special operation, and refunding of same as an accountant, you agree that there is a necessity to enter into account. I don't know, my lord. Question. It is through a proper accounting process that the National Security Coordinator comes to know the amounts pre-funded for special operations and the refund. Correct or say, yes, my lord. Question. You know a gentleman by the name Frank Anani Depe? Answer, yes, my lord. Question. In fact, you record that Frank Anani Depe has delivered some of those pre-finance funds to you for operational purposes. Yes, my lord. Answer, yes, my lord. Question. Are you also familiar with the name Madridonko? Yes, my lord. Question. You also record that some of these operational funds were delivered to you by Madridonko? Yes, my lord. Question. You further remember that you have personally collected such pre-finance funds from your boss bank account in the past? Eye Adubuahin account. Or say, yes, my lord. Asemasi you. Asemati. Question. You are familiar with compensation, goods and services, capitalization expenditure, and special operating expenditure as they operate under the Ghana Financial Incorporated Management System? Yes, my lord. Can you explain to this court what these different types of expenditure are? Answer. Compensation is for staff salaries. Capital expenditure is for assets that go beyond a year. Goods and services are in two categories: normal goods and services and special operation, but all fall under goods and services. Question. So the three categories of expenditure are all audited by the Auditor General every financial year? Yes, my lord. Answer. So the general perception that national security funds are not audited at all is erroneous? Yes, my lord. Question. Is it true that it is the use of the special operation fund is not audited because spending is based on operational discretion? Yes, my lord. Question. You have also told this court that for the special operations account, the source of funds are both private and public. Yes, my lord. And that includes the Coordinated Special Operations Account called Coordinator's Account, NSC, at the Fidelity Bank? Yes, my Lord. Can you explain how suppliers are paid from the main account? Answer: yes, my Lord. Suppliers for items such as fuel are set up in the government system. Payment go through the public financial management system, including internal auditing, and are then approved from the main account. Question: you agree that once payment is made to a supplier, the money leaves the remit of public funds? Yes, my Lord. Question: madam, the National Security Coordinator is also set up as a supplier in GIFMIX? Yes, my Lord. Question: the National Security Coordinator is set up in GIFMIX as a supplier of services of a secret nature for the purpose of receiving special operation funds? Yes, my Lord. Asemasi. When you know your questions here. Question: the difference is that the coordinator as a supplier may receive the money as physical cash or in the special operation account. Yes, my Lord. Question: the National Security Coordinator is set up in GIFMIX as a supplier of services of a secret nature for the purpose of receiving special operation. Yes, my Lord. Questions in yere aba awiye we questions here. Lawyer attachia etoto aban adansi dini ano manage atum say eduru babia womo kwabna dubo ahina personal account ekoyi sika because emergency ba aban sika na yeden delay. Diasinu where Director of Finance, National Signal Bureau, and Ekasei, and you'll be a tincha yakofana bow, abundance dinia yakofano, National Signal Bureau, and Ekasase, a bansika delay. Ye Jessica Free Quabna Dubois. And now ye Kasei no. Kwabna Dubois hina ya bonu deeds say MPP na didn't buy no be bokro no na omo year press conference say MPP never away no. Government of Ghana edeneka close to 18 million Ghana cedis. Government of Ghana edeneka close to 18 million Ghana cedis. And this 4-year press conference say MPP appointees ni ya kromfo no mo de Kwabna Dubois ande ya dance no. And now mo de sa kromfo ne ka 18 million Ghana cedis. Now tie nkrobo ya e betra o say babia asem ni kwa koduru. Ye be di akire ye gusu di akire so obi ntimi ni tro opposition. Akromfo wo ba ban mu no issues na mo ka ho asem no mo de kokoto mo fa dance yenko because ye pa kwanya bi to make MPP unpopular na MPP fo no bi buafu yenkoto aba Ghana fo no bi no buafu yenkoto even though na aban no ye niam papa and na bufu aye nyina ye nyaaye ayesi yempie enkonkoto aba no ene etiyesen yenu ya ho se yankonkoto aba because of NDC propaganda. MPP fo ya kromfo MPP fo ya kromfo enei yeni kromfo bia okroma nia wo mo ka kire mo ayetena TikTok yetena Facebook yetena Twitter efa ho abufo di aban na tem no ukokoto ohun sa dance yen ni enim say eba developmental projects ya MPP aye ye ni wo mo propaganda na chi ene ye se ye ma MPP atoa amamuo no so a nka what be projects o fa Greater Accra at Fatik Roswa 7 years Nana Addo Aban through Honorable Amoakwata Achire Asenso Boakye beto aso na wuro so omode baaye e wo Greater Accra asphaltic roads enyase kuma the national capital a yehu Fili Gadochi enso etronti esi yentie na esi MPP same mine ene yehu omo same mine the very thing na omo akizu MPP enye sa na tie no ene sa niema no nyina no eda NDC kotodwa anim a omo na eye mane boroso na aboroso mana boroso nti nsem omo ka ye nyina menu mienu fa ho abufuo o yesi we aye say the social media na abano social media na abano enye social media binu yusu no kwampaso eye social media ya hada empra nkrofo bi kotena so na se obi kotena so na ditro ye ba ye be say munyire mu hunni tro enwu MPP aban so ne ye ba ye behwe mu enne mo na mo kamu yi mo tini suo wa te sene mo ahwere mo ade bi a mo nsanye den enka biem bi no kura no eya katua entwa eno kura no ya katua entwa enne obi otena Facebook di tro ya promise me menyere me ho social media ho menyere me ho so ayi TikTok ho menyere me ho Twitter ho ye ba ye Sam George frɛ no frɛ nyansafo o se mo sankrofo no nyina ye de mo ye hwe a enye yie mo ni certificate ene no kore so mo aye bom pa NDC food soldiers ye bom pa that time na ye bodim so no Tama communication minister epe nyansafo mbetima ma social media akọ international level no ye ka se mo brofo nye brofo a mo postu niema atowo brofo na mo di gu MPP fo so atowo brofo ana mo di track akese social media no ye se enkoba bia uri tongare kro bia ante no waba beto na to say ye beto to kokwa gugam na ya fro se bedane nti mompe ba bi mfa otena se hu se social media no anyansafo binum wo MPP mu a wo mo na twere brofo a etene wo mo postu ade a wo hwa brofo na ni da ho nti yam fresa ankrofo no se pese wiase nyina hu se Ghana so ye social media no bobra yem fresa ankrofo no ofro mo na mukoko apai na nka de atowuo brofo na ebe international level ana wo andi sini na wo brofo atutu atowuo no nka wo na yem fro na brasa meeting ni bi dabi uba bi enye nti ntro no ho nsunsanso no eno na mo nyina ene payback time aduru ho emo bia nkompreni u comprene de baha enfa enya adwuma